What's the meaning of conga drum? Conga drum. Conga drum.
Conga drum. Conga drum. A conga drum is a tall, narrow drum that is played with the hands and has its origins in Cuba. It is usually made of wood or fiberglass and produces a deep, resonant sound. The drum is used in various music styles, particularly in Latin American music and jazz. Playing the conga drum involves a combination of striking the drumhead with the fingers and palms while controlling the resonance with the other hand. The resulting sound is a rhythmic and vibrant beat that sets the tone for the music.